What does wellness look like? Why did we call our clinic Rand Family Wellness? All those kinds of things. So this is one of the better definitions that I prefer for wellness. So the Global Wellness Institute defines wellness as the active pursuit of activities, choices, and lifestyles that lead to a state of holistic health. So a lot of things in this definition that I really like and is what really means wellness to me. First off, it's the active pursuit. It's actually making choices on a daily basis in activities and how you're living your lifestyle on a daily basis. It's actively doing it. It's not just going through life, doing whatever you want to do, and then, oh shit, I got cancer. How did that happen to me, right? Wellness is the active pursuit of activities that are going to prevent things in the future. The second part of this definition that's really important is that lead to a state of holistic health. Right? We're making these active choices to improve ourselves as a whole. Okay. We're not doing it just to get rid of our symptoms that we may be dealing with at that moment in time. Right? We're not making the choices on our health based off whatever symptoms we have. Actively pursuing choices and lifestyles that lead to holistic health. So it's the overall picture, right? It's not just one thing, it's everything. That's really what wellness is. It's the activities and choices that you're making daily to become healthier overall, right? That's what wellness is. That's why we named our center that is because we enjoy taking care of people that agree with that sentiment. Right. We are going to start to reward people that do that. And we'll talk about it at the end of this live, what that's going to look like. Okay. So that's what wellness is the active pursuit of activities, choices, lifestyles that lead to a state of holistic health. Right. So it's all of that. So there are multiple dimensions to wellness. They have 6. I have 4. I've combined a lot of mine. Right. So ours are Be Fit, Eat Right, Think Well, and Improve Performance, right? So we have 4 things that we believe lead to your wellness, and a lot of ours some of theirs are combined into ours. So this is the other big thing. So wellness, this is the main reason I wanted to share the screen with you today, because we are never in neutral. This is our wellness continuum. So in life, we are either getting better and healthier or we are getting sicker, right? We are never in neutral. Our bodies are never in neutral. We are always under stress, whether it's positive or negative stress. We are always going in one direction or the other. We are never here. There is never a neutral in our body. So it is either simply you are getting healthier or you are getting sicker, right? So this talks a little bit about the difference in paradigms, which are just the ways we think, right? So medically, we think, oh, we have a symptom, we have poor health, we need to get you back to where you have no symptoms, right? That's what neutral is neutral is no symptoms at this moment in time that you know of. The wellness paradigm takes you further, right? It keeps pushing you and helping you grow to an optimum state of well-being. So there's a big difference between not having a symptom and thriving in an optimal state of well-being. So as we've mentioned in previous videos, there's a difference between being reactive with your health or proactive with your health, right? So sorry about that. Reactive is simply waiting until you're in pain to do something about it, or waiting until you're having a symptom to do something about it, okay? And that's not the best choice for anybody's health. If you don't have your health, you don't have anything. So this is where cancer grows. This is where heart disease grows. This is where diabetes grows. All these major diseases that we deal with grow on people being reactive. They thrive because people just wait until something shows up, right? Care is episodic. It's whenever I as a person think I need it, right? Whereas being proactive, it allows your body to thrive, okay? It allows you to maintain and improve health, right? It's preventative, it's holistic. It is your responsibility. All of this is your responsibility, in all honesty. It's not the doctor's job at any point, right? It's not my job to help you make the choices. It's my job to teach you, which that's what's part of this is. It's teaching you to make the right choices. Right. And it's integrated into your life. Being proactive is a daily thing, and it's making the right choices on a daily basis. Do we always make the right choices? No, we don't. I don't. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect. So if they say they always make the right choices, they're lying to you. Right. We always don't make the right choices, but the thing is to get back to making them the right way the next time when you're confronted with those situations. So being proactive and actually moving into this wellness paradigm is really what wellness is being about. Okay. This is so important in your family's health. So important. It's the difference between, always being unhealthy and taking medicine and being miserable or thriving, okay, as a family, right? We have all seen people that are grumpy and unhappy, and those are usually the people that are on medicine and are not making the choices that are leading them to wellness. It is hard for you to be moving towards this optimum state of well-being and being grumpy and miserable. Okay. It is very difficult for that to happen. So if you are living the choices, we'll go back up here to if you are making the active pursuit of activities, choices, and lifestyles that lead to a state of holistic health, which is what wellness is, then you are going to be happier and you are going to be healthier, and your family is going to be thriving rather than just getting by. Okay. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. So sorry about that. But yeah, so wellness. So the one, and I mentioned we're going to reward people in the future, and we're going to actually start that in the month of January. So we have a monthly wellness plan for everybody. They can get unlimited care if they pay their wellness fee every month, right? So we're going to take that to another level next month and next year, and we're actually going to give them a free month if they pay ahead, basically. So if they pay for if they buy 11 months of wellness upfront, they'll get the 12th one free, right? So if you pay me for January through November, whatever rate you're at, whether it's your family, whether it's individual, whether it's a couple, whatever, if you pay me at that rate, I will give you December for free. Okay. So that is to reward people that understand this topic of what we talked about today. So this is only for current patients. You have to be a current patient before January 1st. If you are not a patient and you've been thinking about becoming one and want to take that ultimate step into this wellness arena, then you need to do it within the next 2 weeks. Okay. We're gone most of the week after Christmas, so you need to do it this week, next week, or really that Friday before the first of the year in order to get access to that deal. So basically what is happening, if you truly want to live the wellness paradigm and you want to do it effectively with accountability and with getting all your questions answered and a plan created specifically for your family, then that's what you need to do. Is you need to get in here within the next week or two so you can take advantage of that special that we're running next year. So once again, that is if you buy 11 months worth of wellness care with us, we're giving you the 12th month for free. So that's that. So this is truly a Wellness Wednesday, talking truly about wellness. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear you comment on it below. Have a blessed week, everybody.